Want to create stunning designs in just minutes? Let's learn Canva fast. First, sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you can either pick a pre-made template or start from a blank canvas. Templates are great if you want professional looking designs instantly, while a blank canvas gives you full creative freedom. On the left side menu, you'll find all the tools you need. Designs to explore pre-made ideas, elements to add shapes, icons, or illustrations, text to insert headings, subheadings, or body text, and uploads to bring in your own images or videos. It's all drag and drop, so customizing is super easy. At the top menu, you can rename your project, upload additional files, and tweak your settings. Once your masterpiece is ready, head to the top right corner to download, share, or even publish it directly online. Canva makes the entire process fast and beginner-friendly. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or flyers, Canva gives you everything you need to bring your ideas to life without being a design expert. Start exploring, experiment with different tools, and in just a few minutes, you'll be designing like a pro.